fuck, bro? Dude, are you serious? Bro, what's your problem, bro? Dude, no, bro, literally, I did not move. I did not move. I was in park the whole time, bro. What the fuck you mean? The fuck you mean, bro? What you gonna... No, don't look, bro. I literally been parked here for literally 3 minutes, bro. Don't try to come up with no excuse, bro. What's your name?
Manuel.
Manuel? Give me your information, bro. Give me your information, bro. I'm pissed, bro. I'm pissed, bro. I shouldn't even have to be like this, bro. Give me your information, bro. Give me your information, bro. Give me your information, bro. Cause I shouldn't even have to be like this, bro. I don't even know. I'm mad, bro. I'm mad, bro. I'm mad, bro. I need all your shit, bro. What the fuck, bro? This dumb ass nigga right here, bro. I need all your shit, bro. I need all your shit. I need all your shit, bro. I gotta ride like this, bro. I need all your shit. Like, look at the line right here, right here. Look at the line.
You come in right here.
Bro, look at.
No, this is all.
That's all?
This is all.
But I'm saying, look how you're tired. Like, it's changing.
This is right now.
So, how the fuck did my car get like this and your car? What?
See, this is too high.
Bro, I'm saying, look at your shit, bro. Your shit did this to my shit, bro. I've been like literally here the whole time. And then you chipped my shit off and it went over there, bro. How loud you go do that sound? Nah, he tried to do one of them little turns. Team's so trash, you know, most of our teammates, they left, so it's just me. Decided to stick it for the team, you know. The crowd, they decided to leave early because they didn't want me, they want me to focus and stuff, so that's why I'm out here today. I didn't bring my uniform because I just said, fuck it, you know. I figured, you know, why not just come out here and just swing the ball. The referee said he's gonna bring the ball and stuff, you know. He said he's gonna bring it and whatever, so I guess I'm just gonna sit around and wait this one. I think they call him a vampire, umpire, I don't know, empire, I don't know. He's supposed to be here, he's not here today. Who knows what's going on? He's supposed to be right there in the middle somewhere. See, it's just me. This is not practice. It's supposed to be a game within. And bring my watch within the next 45 minutes. Oh wait, see, there's an audience and she's leaving right now. So, maybe I should return. You ready? Alright, let's do this. You ready? You ready? You ready? Strike, bitch. Where is everybody, bro?
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
This is the aftermath of my car. Obviously, this is not how it was looking before. It's hanging out from there. I don't want to mess it up even further, but it's hanging out from the side, like kind of slanted. Just earlier, y'all saw the video where it was hanging all the way to the ground and whatever. I had to fix it by myself because the police didn't want to show up. So, anyways, that was a havoc. You know, I got real mad off camera. I snatched dude's ID out his hand. I was snatching stuff. I really wanted to hurt him, but you know, he wasn't probably paying attention more than likely. But even then, like, look at this. Like, it's hanging out. Like, I'm literally just vibing. I'm literally just trying to go to 99 cent store. I'm trying to do my thing and whatever. And I don't know if he was eating. I don't know if he was reading a book, reading a text. I don't know. But he ended up hitting my car. It could have been worse. That's all I'm going to say. But I'm going to let it slide. I could have went to jail today because my blood was pumping. I could, like, if you've seen the video shaking, it's more than likely that's because I was ready to put my hands on Buddy. So, visuals is finally available for you guys to see. Make sure y'all go check it out on YouTube, as well as the song is available on all music platforms. What is going on? It's your boy Imari Reynolds from Day in the Life of Imari Reynolds, and I am here to let you know that we have merch available on the shop page. That is correct. We have merch available in all sizes. We have sweaters, t-shirts, tank tops, socks, cups, anything you need, we got it right here. You can even check out my Instagram right here where you can see all the latest features of our products, and we have it only for limited time only. So do not hesitate, go get your merch today. Yeah, let's get it. Hey yo, so check this out, man. I got a new channel. It's called Imari Reynolds Music, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe and share with y'all friends. Man, we got more things just dropping on the way, man.